today we're going to start off with our number talks. And in our number talks, we never, ever, ever, absolutely, under any circumstances,
raise
do
our hand.
Raise our hand. What do? We show our secret symbol. No, just wait. Okay, and we just keep this right on our hearts. And then if we know the answer, what do? We show how many strategies that we can use to solve it, right? Okay, good. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's start off with 12 plus 8. Show me. There you go. Lauren, what did you get for your answer?
I got 20.
20. Show me if you agree with Lauren. You agree with Lauren? Anybody get a different answer? Did you get a different answer? No? Okay, Lauren, tell us how you did it.
I had 110, and then I had a 2 and an 8.
Okay, where did you get your 10 from?
The 12.
The 12. So did you break this number apart?
Yes.
Okay, so you broke this up into 10 and 2. Okay.
And then I have an 8.
Okay, then you have your
I know that I only have 110, so forget about that for a second.
Okay, keep
I
it
have
right.
the 2 and the 8 together, and I know that makes 10. And then I have 10 plus 10, and that equals 20.
Okay, so you brought this other 10 over,
Yep,
and you added. And what do you know about 10 plus 10?
it's a double.
It's a double, and we know our strategies for doubles, right? So 10 plus 10 is 20. Good job, give her a round of applause. Did anybody else solve it a different way? Show me if you solved it a different way. Let's see. Adeline, did you solve it a different way?
I counted on.
You counted on. Great job. Tell me how you counted on. What did you start with?
I started with 12. I went on 8.
So she started with 12, and then she counted 8 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12, 13. Count with me. 14.
15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Awesome job. Did that work?
Yes.
So is counting on a strategy that we can use when we're adding?
Yes.
Okay, tell me this. Adeline, why didn't you start with 8? Why did you start with 12 and not with 8?
Because it will take forever for me.
It will take a lot longer, right? So we start with our largest number, y. What is that word that we talked about? What is that word? Think about it, think about it, think about it. Float in your hand. Release.
Efficient.
Efficient. We want the most efficient way to get our answer. So we start with the biggest number and count on to 20. Hey, does anybody have a different strategy that they used? Claire, you have a different strategy?
It's kind of the same as Adeline's, but instead of 12, I changed it up so it's 18 and 2.
18 and 2. Okay, tell me how you did that.
I know that 8 is larger than 2, so I took the 10. So I took the 2 and just changed it with the 8. Counted on 2 more.
Okay, so you broke this number apart into 10 and 2. And then you took this 8 and added it to your 10?
Yes.
Awesome. That's an efficient way to do it, isn't it? So 10 plus 8, and you got?
18.
And then what did you do?
And then I counted on 2 more.
That is so good. 1, 2, 19, 20. Awesome job. And you know what? For that, I think she deserves a 10-finger win. Give her a 10-finger. We are going to take what we just did in our number talk,
I have one more.
and we're going to make it even harder. you have an answer? What did you get for your answer?
6.
Did anybody get the same answer as Dia? Show me if you agree with her answer. Good job, Dia. Okay, anybody get a different answer? Jackson, what'd you get? Did you get a different answer than 60?
Well, no,
But you solved it as a strategy? Okay, keep it in your brain. I'll call on you after, okay? Okay, Dia, tell me how you solved it.
well, I did 2 plus 8 equals 10.
Okay, so you took your ones.
Yes.
2 plus 8 equals 10. And then what did you do?
Then I added the 10s to the 4.
Tell me, the 10?
I added the 10 to the 40.
This 10?
Yes.
So you added this 10 to this 40.
Yes.
Okay. So 40 plus 10.
Equals 50. And then 50 plus 10 equals 60.
Where'd you get the other 10 from?
From 18.
From 18. So then she took this 10, Logan, do you see this? She took this 10 and added it to 50. And what did you get?
60.
Awesome job. Do you have a roller coaster cheer for her? Good job, Tia. Proud of you. Okay, Jackson, you want to share your strategy?
Yeah, well, it's kind of like Dia's, but I had 42 and the 18, and I took away the 2 from the 42, and I took away the 8 from the 18, and I added the 10 to the 40.
Okay, so you took this 2 away and this 8 away, and what did you do?
I left the 40 and the 10, and I added them together.
Okay.
And then I had 50, so I had 8, and then I did 8 plus 2 equals 10, so my answer was 60.
How did you get 60?
I added the 8 and the 2.
And you got
Together,
10.
I got 10.
And then what did you do with these 2 numbers?
I added them together.
Oh my goodness. How did you know that 50 plus 10 equaled 60? How did you know that?
Because, like, if I took away the 3 from the 8, and I added the 3 to the 2, I would have 5, and I would have another 5, and 5 plus 5 equals 10.
Okay, good job. Let's give him a round of applause. Jackson, you did great thinking. Good numbers. Okay, anybody else solve it a different way? Different way. Aaron.
I did bridge to 50.
Bridge to 50? All right, tell us how you did bridge to 50.
I took the 42 and the 8, and I got then I got 50.
Okay, where did you get the 8 from?
I got the 8 from the 18.
Oh, okay, so you took the 8 from here, and you added it?
And I added it to the 42. And I know that 8 plus 2 equals 10. So that means that 42 plus 8 should equal 50.
Wow.
And then I had 10 left over to make 60.
Where did you have that 10 from?
I got the 10 from the 18.
Okay, from this 18, and you added that 10 all the way over to this 50, and you got
60.
I'm telling you, I don't know if you are second graders, this is so good. Let's give him a 10 bigger room. Hey, anybody solve it a different way? Eli.
Can I write it?
No, but you can tell me your thinking.
So how I did it was I took the 8 and I decomposed it to 3 and 5.
Okay, let me write this over here because this sounds good. Okay, so you took this and made it
3 and 5.
Okay.
And then I added the 3 to the 2, leaving only the 5 left.
Okay, so this to this.
And
Okay.
then I had 5. And then I had 5 and 5. So then it was 15 plus 45.
Okay, hold on just a second because you're going really fast. I want to make sure everyone is listening to you. He took this 42, added a 3 to it, and you got,
By decomposing the 8.
by decomposing the 8, and you got
8. 5.
just 5?
45.
45, okay. And you had this 5 left over.
And I had a 5 left over and a 10, so that equals 15.
Okay, so he added this 10 and this 5.
And which equals 13. And
Okay.
I added 15 plus 45 because and then I know that equals 60.
How do you know this equals 60?
Because 5 plus 5 equals 10. And then I can now take 10 plus 50, which is because I added the 4 and the 1.
Is this a 4 and a 1?
40.
40 and a
10.
10. And you added these two together?
Yeah.
And 50 plus 10. Wow, that is awesome thinking, Eli. I'm so proud of you. Look at all the different strategies we used to solve the same problem, and we all got the same answer. Give yourselves a pat.